Welcome back to our Klaviyo email marketing course. In our last session, we explored the Klaviyo dashboard and its key components. Now, we are moving into the next crucial step, which is creating an optimized sign-up form that captures high-quality leads. So, when it comes to your website, your sign-up form is often the first interaction a user has with your brand. A well-designed form can be the difference between a bounce and a sign-up. So today, I'm going to show you how to create a sign-up form that not only looks great, but also compels users to fill out step by step. So first, let's talk about what a sign-up form is. A sign-up form is a tool on your website that allows visitors to enter the details to join your email list or access exclusive content. So, it's often the first interaction a user has with your brand, making it a vital component for your marketing strategy. So now you might ask why it is important to have an optimized sign-up form. Well, a well-designed form can significantly increase your conversion rates, turning visitors into subscribers. So, it ensures a smooth, user-friendly experience that encourages users to share their information with you. So now, let's go on and see how to create an optimized sign-up form. So first of all you need to do is to log into your Klaviyo account, and after that, you will be welcome to the Klaviyo's dashboard. And on the left-hand side, you can see on the screen, there is this sign-up form option. So simply click on this, and then on the top right corner, you can see the option of create form. So simply click on this. And after that, so as you can see on the screen, there are different templates that Klaviyo provides you with, and also you can simply create a new form from the scratch. So I feel easy choosing a template. So let's first now choose a template that suits my business. Okay, so this one looks good. So let's click this on. So okay, a complex or long form can deter users from signing up. So keep it simple by only asking essential information like name and email. So first, here in the name, I am going to type new settlers, just like this, and then you will be asked to select a subscriber list. So simply click this, and you have multiple options, as you can see on the screen. So I'm going to put this email list, and after that, then you will be asked to enable and also disable a teaser. That's totally upon your preference. And after that, you can simply click on this create form. And there you have it. So this is the template that I have chosen, and you can see this is the mobile view, and you can even see it on the desktop view as well by simply clicking this desktop option, as you can see on the screen on the top right corner. So okay, as you can see on the screen, on the left hand side, you have three options which says styles, targeting and behavior, and even add blocks. So first, I'm going to show you by adding some blocks. So for that, simply click this add blocks option, and there you will see lots of options such as text, buttons, images, and even more. So all you need to do is simply drag and drop these options on this template that you have chosen. So for example, I want to replace this image first. So simply clicking this image portion, then as you can see on the screen, here it says edit, replace, and you can even remove the image. So I'm simply going to replace this. So simply click this replace option, and then you can even upload an image. So for this, I think this is the image that I want to select. I have already selected this one, and there you have it. So I have just replaced the image by choosing the template which I shown you earlier, and replaced it with my business strategy. So now let's change some text. So on the screen, you can see there are different blocks, and you can change the text of these blocks according to your preferences, and you can even delete the blocks which you don't want by simply clicking this delete option. So now let's change the text. So let's click this one, and let's write join us today, just like this. And then you can even align with the left alignment, or you can put it in the center or the side according to your preference. Yet then you can even Change the text size as well. So let's say I'm keeping this one 40, just like that. It's perfect. You can make it bold, italic, you can even underline. Then you can even also add some bullet points and also background color and text color also as well. So this is done. Similarly, the same goes with this block. So you can change the text as I have said and mentioned earlier according to your preferences. Then after that, on the top, you can see this plus step option. So when you click on this, you can add more steps to your sign up form. So you can see on the screen, there are three options which says SMS opt-in, which says collect phone number for SMS marketing, or you can even ask your customers about their personal information like their birthdays or even names, or you can just simply create a blank step, or you can start it from the scratch as well. And after that, so you can simply add step. And after that, now let's go back again and let's talk about this style option. So when you click this, you can see you can even choose the form type that you want, such as pop-up, full-up page. It's according to your preferences. So you can see the animation in the left side of the screen. Then you can even rotate your image such as in left, or you can even have no side image. This is also according to your preferences. And also do check the preview on both the devices, such as for mobile and even the desktop. So this is the mobile view and this is the desktop. You can even click on the all devices. So make sure you do this. And after that, there are lots of options where you can edit your text colors, or you can even align your text and more. So next is you have to prioritize your user experience. So ensure that your form is easy to use and visually appealing. So use clear labels and make sure that the font size is readable on both desktop and mobile devices. For example, enter your email address. For example, you can say instead of just email, and after that, make it mobile friendly as well. So more than half of the web traffic comes from mobile devices. So ensure your forms adjust to fit different sizes using responsive design techniques. For example, you can test your forms on various devices and browsers to ensure consistency. Then step number 4 is offer social login options as well. So allow users to register with their social media accounts like Google or even Facebook. So this speeds up the process and can increase the sign-up rates. For example, you can say that sign-up form with the Google button alongside traditional email options as well. So next one is the real-time validation. So first we implement real-time validation to help users spot mistakes immediately, preventing from abandonment. For example, oops, that doesn't look like a valid email, and or so and so like that. Another step is to craft completing CTA buttons. So use a clear action-oriented text for your call to action or CTA button. So make it bold and use contrasting colors to draw attention. For example, instead of join now, you can say get started or claim your free trial. Then another step is to add social proof. So include testimonials or trust badges near your form to build trust and encourage sign-ups. For example, you can say like, see what our satisfied users are saying. And another step is to offer incentives as well. So offer something valuable like a discount code or a free trial to entice users to sign up. And after that, next step is to test and optimize continuously. So A/B test your forms to see what works best with your audience, and it continuously refine your forms based on the data you gather. And there you have it. By following the steps, you can create an optimized sign-up form using a drag-and-drop builder that not only looks great but also drives conversions. So remember, simplicity, user experiences, and continuous optimization are the key. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next lesson.